Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to share you the tutorial of this beautiful crop top. It's really wonderful and it's very nice to wear during summer times, especially at the coastal areas, beaches. Let me show it to you closely. Now I will show you how to make it. If you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, I kindly invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel in order to support me for my further videos. If you like this video, please remember to leave like remarks. See you in the further videos. Let's go on making. For this project I am using this yarn. This is thin and soft yarn, not thick and hard, and 100% cotton yarn. And I'm going to use a hook 3.5 millimeters. I made one piece before I made this video. I made this with a lace. Now I'm going to explain you how to make the other part. It's exactly the same pattern. When you make this one, you can easily make the other. It is the same because we are going to make 22 chains when starting. First of all, we are making a slip knot like this. This is at the same time chain 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, you are going to make 22 chains. Yes, I made 22 chains like this. Don't make the chains too tight. Make the chains a bit loose because we are going to work on this chain. When I measure this one, it is about 10 centimeters because everybody's yarn thickness can be different. For this reason, it is better to tell you the measurement. I made this chain. It's 22 chains and it is 10 centimeters. Now on these chains, we are going to make double crochets. For this, we are skipping three chains. 1, 2, 3. I'm making yarn over and I'm inserting my hook in the 4th chain and making a double crochet in there like this. And making another one in the following chain. Yarn over, going to the following chain and making another double crochet in there. Like this, we are going to make 20 double crochets till the end. Let's make 20 double crochets totally till the end and meet at the end. Yes, I made 20 double crochets till the end. Now we are going to make 5 more double crochets in the last chain. I'm making yarn over. I'm inserting my hook in the last chain like this and making double crochet. We are going to make totally 5 double crochets in the same chain hole. This is one that we made together, and I'm making the second one, the third one, fourth one, and 5th one. As you see. Now we are turning back. We are going to make 20 double crochets on each double crochet that we made here. One by one we will come till the end, making yarn over. I'm making 1 double crochet on this double crochet like this. This is 1, making another one on the following, making another one on the following, like this. We will make totally 20 double crochets on this row as well. Okay, let's make totally 20 double crochets till here and meet at the end. Yes, I made 20 double crochets till the end. Let me summarize what we did. First of all, we made 22 chains, and on these chains we made 20 double crochets, and in the last chain of this 22 chains we made 5 more double crochet like this, and we turned back, and in the back of these double crochets we made another 20 double crochets. In order to make the upper row, we are making 2 chains, turning back. Now I am inserting my hook in the first hole like this. But when we count the double crochets on this row, we are going to consider these 2 double crochets in the same hole as 1 double crochet. I mean, we made 1, it is actually 2. Now I am going to the following. This is the second. This is the third. This is the fourth. We are going to make totally 22 double crochets. Let's make 22 double crochets and meet at the end. Please remember, we are going to make these 2 double crochets as 1 double crochet. When we count 22 double crochets, we are going to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to count like this. Yes, I made totally 22 double crochets. In the below row, previous row, we made totally 20 double crochets, you will remember, and the upper row we made 22 double crochets. That means we increased 2 double crochet. Let's count together. As I explained to you, I made 2 double crochets in the first starting chain, but I'm going to consider this as 1 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now we are at the top. You will remember we made 5 double crochets in one chain, and we used 2 double crochet, and now we are at the top. Let me show you closely. You will remember here in this chain hole we made totally 5 double crochets, and we used 2 of them as the increasing of this row, and now we are in the 3rd double crochet. This is the top side and increasing area. We are going to make totally 5 double crochets in the 3rd double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we made the increasing at this row as well. Let me show you here. we are making here this one. This is the increasing part. It's going on like this. As you see. Now we are turning on this side. We are going to make 22 double crochets till the end of this side as well. Like this. I'm inserting my hook in the following double crochet and making another one. I'm going to the following double crochet, making another. It has been 2, 3, 4, 5. As you see, I'm making double crochets on each previous double crochet, and like this I will come till the end, and totally I will make 22 double crochets. I made totally 22 double crochets at this side as well. After making 5 double crochets at top of this, we are going to make totally 22 double crochets here. So there are totally 22 double crochets in this side. There are 5 pieces of double crochet at top in the increasing area, and there is another 22 double crochets on the other side. Now we will make the upper row. For this reason we are making 2 chains, turning back, yarn over. We are inserting our hook in the first chain hole like this, making a double crochet. Normally we see 2 double crochets here, but when we count we will consider this as first double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. At this row we are going to make totally 24 double crochets. We will increase this row 2 crochets more. You will remember the previous one was 22 double crochet, but this row will be totally 24 double crochets. Like this we are going to make double crochets till we come to the top of this one. And when we make 24 double crochets, please remember we will consider this first 2 as 1 double crochet. Okay, dear friends, let's come to the end of this row by making 24 double crochets totally. I made totally 24 double crochets now. I am at top. You know there are 5 double crochets in this chain, and I made 23rd double crochet, 24th double crochet, and now I will make 5 double crochets in the 3rd double crochet of this one, making yarn over. I'm making 5 double crochet in this top hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's been like this, and we are going to make 24 double crochets starting the first chain hole of here till the end. Okay, let's make totally 24 double crochets till the end. Let's start like this, making yarn over. I'm inserting my hook in the first following chain hole like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. As you see, you are going to make totally 24 double crochets. Let's make and come here. Let's meet at the end of this row. I made totally 24 double crochets at this side as well. Now I'm making 2 chains, turning back, making a double crochet in the first hole and counting this as 1, 2, making another one in the following. Actually, at each row we are repeating the same. The only difference is at each row we are increasing the double crochets too. For example, this row we are going to make 26. After making 26, we will make 5 double crochets at top, and then we are going to make another 26 double crochets. And on the upper row we are going to make 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. We will go on crocheting like this, repeating the same pattern, repeating the same method till we come to the size 38 double crochets. Let's make till we find 38 double crochets and meet at the end. Now I made 38 double crochets this side. At top I made 5 double crochet, and then on the other side I made another 38 double crochet. This size is okay for me. Now I'm going to explain you how to make this area. For this reason I'm making 1 chain. Let's make together. I made 1 chain, turning back, and from now on I will make half double crochet. For this reason I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook in the first chain hole and pull through the mole, and I'm going to the following chain hole, making a half double crochet, yarn over, going to the following chain hole and making half double crochet, yarn over, going to the following chain hole and making a half double crochet. Like this we are going to make half double crochets till we come to the top of this side. I made half double crochets till top. Normally, you know, we made 5 double crochets in the previous rows, but here when we make a half double crochet we are going to make only 3 half double crochet at top, like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. At top 3 half double crochet is enough. Now we will go down at this side till the end, and now we will go on making half double crochet like this, going to the following. Okay, make half double crochets till the end of this side. Now I will explain you how we are going to make these holes. For this reason we are making 1 chain, turning back, yarn over. We are going to make a half double crochet in the first chain hole, making 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over, skipping 1, 2 holes, inserting our hook in the third chain hole and making a half double crochet there, making 1, 2 chains, skipping 1-2 holes, inserting our hook in the third chain hole and making a half double crochet there. Like this, make half double crochet, make chain holes using half double crochets till here, till top. Now I am at the top here, this top, making 2 chains and skipping this 1 hole and inserting to the following. At top we are skipping only 1 chain hole. We are doing this in order to make this top side not stretching. Now making 1-2 chain, skipping only 1 chain hole and inserting to the following. At top, at both sides, we are only skipping 2 chain holes. We are doing this at both sides. So at top, this is the top side. Now we will go on making 2 double crochets, holes like this, the same till the end, making 2 chains, 1, 2, skipping 2 chain holes and inserting in the third hole and making double crochet, making half double crochet. 1, 2 chain hole, skipping 1, 2 chains, skipping 2 chain hole and inserting our hook in the third chain hole and making a half double crochet. We are crocheting like this till the end. Yes, I finished the chain holes at this side as well. I am at the end. I finished the chain hole. It's been like this at both sides. Now I will make 1 chain, turning back, making a single crochet in the first hole, making 2 chains and making 2 chains and inserting my hook at top like this. And making another single crochet here. I'm going to the following hole, making single crochet there, making 2 chains, inserting my hook in the first chain hole like this, making a single crochet in the following. I'm going to the following, making a single crochet. I'm making 2 chains, inserting in the beginning of the chains like this, making a single crochet and making another single crochet in the same hole. It's going on like this. The last row will go on like this. Let me show you once again. I'm inserting my hook in the hole, making a single crochet there, making 1, 2 chains, inserting my hook at the beginning of these 2 chains and making a single crochet and making another single crochet in the same hole like this. We are going to make like this till top. Now we are at the top. At top we are not making this pattern. We are making only 3 single crochet because at top we will make lace. We will make laces at this top like this. Let me show you. Here at top we will fix the beginning of this lace. For this reason I am not making these tops. I'm only making double crochet. I'm only making 3 single single crochet only here. Now I will go on making 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, inserting my hook in the beginning of this chain, yarn over, pull through, making single crochet, inserting my hook in the same hole, making another single crochet. I mean, we are going to repeat the same what we did here. I inserted my hook here, made 1 single crochet, making 2 chains, inserting my hook in the beginning of this 2 chains, yarn over, pull through, and making single crochet and making another single crochet in the same hole. We will repeat what we did here till we come to the end. Dear friends, I finished the border end like this. You should make 2 pieces the same from this. For example, I made 2. I will explain you how to make the lace later on. First of all, I'm going to explain you how to connect the 2 parts. Make 2 pieces like these cups. After finishing 2 cups like this, I will explain you how to connect these 2 parts. First of all, we are turning the back sides of the cups. This is the front side, this is the back side. This is the front side, this is the back side. Now I will connect them both. What am I doing first? I'm making 1 chain. I'm getting together the 2 parts. I'm inserting my hook at the edge of the other part. I'm making a slip stitch. Now what we are going to do, we will connect these tops together, this one, like this. But first of all, what am I doing? I should go to this part. I am doing this by slip stitches. One by one I am inserting my hook in the following chains and making slip stitch. Now I am making 1 chain, coming to this top, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain. Now I will go to the top of the other part like this, making a single stitch, 1 chain. Now I will go to this part. First of all, by slip stitches I am coming here. One by one in the following chain holes I am inserting my hook and making slip stitches, and by slip stitches coming to the top, making 1 chain, going to the other following top, yarn over, making slip stitch, 1 chain, and going to the other side, making slip stitches like this, by slip stitches coming to this side. Let me show you, like this. I am making 1 chain, inserting my hook at the other top, making slip stitch, making 1 chain, going to the other Now I am making one chain and cutting the rope. I am turning the front side and I'm showing you how it's going to be looked. Like this. Now I am going to explain you how to make the laces. I made one lace before you, and now I will explain you how to make it on the other cup. You will remember we didn't make the top at the top end. We didn't make in the middle of this top from this because we are going to start making the laces from here. First of all, we are making slip knot. Now we are connecting this rope in the middle of this. Making a slip stitch. After fixing our rope in the middle of this, we are making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the same chain hole, making a double crochet but in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We are making 1 chain, yarn over, inserting our hook in the following chain hole, double crochet but in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Turning back. Inserting our hook in the same chain hole, making a double crochet but in 3 times. Making 1 chain, yarn over, going to the following chain hole, making a double crochet but again in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Turning back, yarn over, inserting my hook in the first chain hole and making a double crochet there, but always in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 chain, yarn over, going to the following chain hole, inserting my hook there, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet but like this in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I am making this video outside, dear friends. For this reason it can be a bit noisy. Now the dogs are barking. Dear friends, we will repeat this 45 times. 1, 2, 3. Always we will repeat the same. Inserting our hook in the first chain hole, making a double crochet in 1, 2, 3 times, making 1 chain, going to the following chain hole, making a double crochet in 3 times, 3 times pull through, 1, 2, 3. Like this you should make 45 times, but of course maybe you like longer, you like shorter. That's completely depends on what you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together we made 4. Let's make totally 45 times and meet at the end. I made 45 rows totally. Now I am making 1 chain and cutting the rope and finishing the lace. It's been like this, dear friends, with both laces, like this. Now we are going to make the bottom part. In order to make the below part of the top, we are making we are going to make chains. First of all, I am making a slip knot, and now I will fix this loop. Let me show you. Look, I will fix this here. I am inserting my hook at the edge of one cup, like this, making a slip stitch and fixing the rope to the edge of the cup, like this. Let me show you. We are going to make 35 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. We are going to make 35 chains. After making 35 chains, I am making 5 chains more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to make a whole square hole here. I'm turning back to 5 chains, and in the 6th chains I'm inserting my hook and making a double crochet. You see, we made a hole. We will use these holes in order to adjust the laces at the back side. Now the only thing in the first row to do is just making double crochet till the end, one by one, following the chain holes. Yarn over. I'm going to the following chain and making a double crochet. Sorry, outside is a bit noisy, and I'm making this video in the garden. I'm in my summer house now. Actually, I've been on holiday for 10 days, and I will be in holiday 5 days more. Mostly we are sitting in the garden because it's very hot inside. Okay, one by one, making double crochet till the end. Yes, dear friends, let's make double crochets till the end and meet at the end. I made double crochets all on the chain. Now we will go on making double crochets below side of the cup. Let me show like this. We made double crochets here. We will go on making double crochets below side of the cup. We will go on making double crochets one by one. Like this. Okay, dear friends, make double crochets till the end of this cup, and I will show you I will tell you what we are going to do the next. Yes, I made double crochets till the end of one cup. In some places I made 2 double crochets, some places 1 double crochet. The only thing you should be careful is that the sides should be neatly. Now I'm going on making double crochet as well. like this. We are now below side of the other cup. We will do the same, dear friends. We will make double crochets till the end of this cup as well. As I explained you, the only thing you should be careful is that the side should be neatly. For this reason, in some places we need to make 2 double crochets. For example, here I made 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the following chain. But here this place is long. In this place I will make 2 double crochet. If I do this, it's been very neatly, as you see. For example, here, this is not long, this is not big hole. For this reason I am making only 1 double crochet. Now here it is also a small hole. I am making 1 double crochet there. This place is also a small hole. I'm making 1 double crochet there. But this place, as you see, it is long, it is big hole. In this hole I'm making 2 double crochet. If you do this, your side will be neatly like this. Yes, dear friends, you should make double crochets, as I explained to you, till the end of the below side of this cup. Let's come here. I will tell you what we are going to do the next. I came to the end of the other cup by making double crochets as well. Now I will make 35 chains. We are going to make what we did here. We are making 35 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear friends, like this, make totally 35 chains. I made 35 chains. Now what we are going to do, we will go back on the chains making double crochets as we did the same here. First of all, at the edge we will make this whole square. We are going to use the adjust the laces later on. Let's make 5 more chains as we did at the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, going back, skipping 5 chains. These last 5 chains I'm skipping and inserting my hook in the 6th chain. Like this, making a double crochet in there. We turned back on the first row on the chain and we also made a hole. Now we are doing the same as we did at the other side cup. One by one on the chains we are making double crochets. Like this. One moment. Yes, as you see here, dear friends, I'm making double crochets on the chains one by one, following each chain. We are going to make like this till the end of the chain. Let's make double crochets on each chain hole on this chain and come here by making double crochets. I make double crochets all around the chains, and I'm connecting this side with the following. I am doing this by making slip stitch. I'm making a slip stitch here and connecting both sides, making one chain and cutting the rope like this. Now we are in the second row. I'm making a slip knot first. This is the front side of the top. You see this hole. I am inserting my hook at the beginning of this hole. Making slip stitch in order to fix this rope on this side. 1, 2, 3 chains. I'm making yarn over and I'm inserting my hook at top of the first double crochet of the below part here. Now we make the second space. We are going to use this space when we adjust the laces at the back side. 1, 2 chains I'm making, 1, 2 chains, skipping, inserting our hook in the third chain. 1, 2 chains, making 1, 2 holes, skipping, inserting my hook at top of the third double crochet of the below row like this. 1, 2 chains, making, skipping the following hole, skipping the other hole, inserting our hook in the third hole like this. 1, 2, skipping the following hole and also the other, the second one. 1, 2, we are skipping, we are inserting our hook in the third hole of the below double crochet, and making a double crochet. 1, 2 chains, making 1, 2 chain hole, skipping, inserting our hook in the third hole. We are making 2 chains, skipping 2 chain hole, inserting our hook in the third chain hole of the below double crochet and making a double crochet here. We are going to make the second row till the end of this row. Let's make like this till the end of this row. I am at the end of this row. I'm just making 2 chains and I will insert the top of this space. I will make a double crochet over there. It is finished. Now I'm making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning back. I will insert my hook right over here on top of this double crochet. And making a double crochet there. We will make 2 double crochets in the space. This is 1. This is 2 double crochet. And we are making 1 double crochet on top of this below double crochet. Making 2 double crochet in this space. 1, 2, and 1 double crochet on this below double crochet. Two double crochet in the space. One double crochet on top of this below double crochet. Like this. We will all make the same till the end of this row. Like this. 2 double crochet in the space. One double crochet on top of the below double crochet. And all going on like this. We will make the same till the end of this row. Make the same till the end of this row, till here. I finished this row as well. I am at the end. I'm making 2 chains. One, 2. I'm inserting my hook in the second chain of the below space. Sorry, I have to make this video outside in the balcony in our summer house and it is noisy outside. Now I am making 4 chains. Turning back. Now I will make these holes, these spaces. I made the lace hole. Now I am making 1 chain. I'm skipping 2 chains, 1, 2, inserting my hook in the 3rd chain. Why I did 1 chain here? Because let me show you. When we go down, it's going to our waist, and our waist is thinner than our chest side. For this reason, we should make the below side a bit shorter than the top side. I hope I could explain you, because our waist is thinner, our chest side is a bit larger. If we get shorter these below sides, it's okay. For this reason, when you make the space holes, after space holes you are going to make one chain. After this one chain and make the hole, I will go on making with 2 chains, as we did in the below row. 1, 2 space, skipping, inserting my hook in the 3rd space, making double crochet, 2 chains, skipping 2 chain hole, inserting our hook in the 3rd hole, making a double crochet. We are going like this till the end. I came to the end of this row as well. Now I will show you the last. What we are going to do in the last space, we are making 1 chain, we are skipping 1, 2 holes, inserting our hook in the 3rd chain hole, making a double crochet. Why we are doing this? Because our waist side is thinner, so our crop top should get narrow till our waist. Only in the last spaces we are doing this. What we are doing in the last spaces at both sides, we are making 1 chain as I did, skipping 2 holes, inserting our hook in the 3rd in order to make the below part a bit narrow. Now making 2 chains and inserting my hook 1, 2 in the 2nd chain hole of the below space, making a double crochet. These last spaces will be for our laces. Now I am making 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, turning back. I made 4 chains, I turned back, I'm inserting my hook in this double crochet on top of this double crochet and making a hole for the lace. Now it is turned for these double crochets, but we should be careful at one thing. What is this? As I explained to you, we should make a bit narrow the below parts than the upper part. So normally in the spaces we are making 2 double crochets, but at the first space we are making only 1 double crochet. We will do it at both ends for only the first hole, and I'm inserting my hook here on top of the double crochet. And from now on, in each spaces we are making 2 double crochets, and of course we are making 1 double crochet on top of each double crochets. I am now making 2 double crochet, yarn over, making 1 double crochet on top of this double crochet. From now on we are going to make like this till the end of this row. When we come here, we are going to make only 1 double crochet in this space, and we will make the hole as the same what we did. I came to the end of this row. Now here in the space I will make only 1 double crochet as we did at the other side. and 1 double crochet on the below, on top of the below double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, I'm skipping 1 chain, and I'm inserting in the second chain of the below space and making a double crochet there. This row is finished like this. Now we are on the upper row. Like this we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. I'm making 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, turning back, yarn over, inserting my hook on top of the first double crochet. The only thing we should be careful here is we are going to make 1 chain, 1, 2 chains, skipping, inserting our hook in the 3rd chain. We are doing this only in the first hole. We are not considering these as one hole because these will be the lace holes. If we consider this one as the first space, we will make 1 chain on this space. For the others, we are always making 2 chains and skipping 2 chains as well, inserting our hook in the 3rd chains. It's going on like this, making 2 chains, skipping 2 chains, inserting our hook in the 3rd chain hole, making a double crochet. It's going on like this. Dear friends, I finished all the rows I have to make. It's been like this. Now we are at the end, last end, to finish the border. I will explain you how we are going to make it. First of all, we are making 1 chain in order to go to the upper row, turning back. I am inserting my hook in the first hole and making a single stitch. Now I will make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting, I'm skipping 3 chain holes, 1, 2, 3 hole, I'm skipping, inserting my hook in the 4th hole and making a single stitch again, making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skipping 5 chain holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 holes I'm skipping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm inserting my hook in the 6th hole and making a single stitch. Now I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, skipping 3 holes, 1, 2, 3 hole, I'm skipping and inserting my hook in the 4th hole and making a single stitch there, making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm skipping 5 hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm skipping these 5 holes and inserting my hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inserting my hook in the 6th hole, making a single stitch over there, like this. This row will go on like this, dear friends. Let's make like this till the end of this row. I finished this row as I explained to you in the same method. Now I am making 3 chains. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting here, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain, turning back, and inserting my hook in the center of this last hole. We are in the last row. making yarn over, going to the following bigger space, making a double crochet there, but in 3 times pull through. 1 2 3, yarn over, inserting in the same hole. 1 2 3, 4 times we are doing this. Let's count the double crochets. 1 2 3 4. Now I am making 4 chain. 1 2 3 4. I am inserting in the first chain of this, making a slip stitch like this, and yarn over, making double crochet, yarn over, making double crochet again, but this time double crochets always here will be with 3 times pull through. It has been 3 double crochet. Now I am going on the 3rd double crochet, yarn over, I'm making the 4th double crochet. Always the double crochets will be 3 times pull through. I'm inserting my hook in this hole. This hole is with 3 chains, as you will remember. I'm making a single stitch there, yarn over, I'm going to the bigger space with 5 chains, making a double crochet, but 3 times. I will repeat the same what I did here. This is 1 double crochet with 3 pull times, 2nd double crochet with 3 pull times, 1 2 3 times pull through, and I will make the 4th double crochet with 3 times pull through. 1 2 3 4 chain I'm making, inserting my hook in the bottom, in the root of this chains like this, making slip stitch there, yarn over, and making 4 more double crochet with 3 times pull through. 1 2 3 4. What am I doing? I'm inserting my hook in the following hole with 3 chains that we made before in the previous row, and making a single stitch there, yarn over, going to the bigger space with 5 chains, making a double crochet with 3 times pull through. Dear friends, from now on all the pattern will go on like this, as I explained to you with these 2 model pattern. What we are doing in the bigger space, we are doing 4 times double crochet, and then making chains, 4 times chains, making this one, and making 4 more double crochet with 3 times, and then we are making single stitch here and going to the other. All the pattern will go on like this till the end of this row. Let's make like this all over this row and meet at the end, dear friends. I finished this row. I am at the end. I'm making 1 chain and cutting the rope. Now it is time to make laces for the back. we will connect these two parts with the laces at the back end. For the laces we are making chains. I made chain about 1 meter, 100 centimeter. That's enough for the lace. Now we will make slip stitches. For this reason you should make the chains a bit loose, because we are going to make on these chains, we are going to make slip stitches on these chains. I am going to the following. One moment. I am going to the following next chain hole, making slip stitch, going to the following chain hole, making a slip stitch, going to the following chain hole, making a slip stitch. Like this. You are going to make slip stitches all on the chains till the end. Let's make slip stitches on the chains one by one and meet at the end. I finished the lace in this technique. It's been like this. And our crop top is totally finished after making the laces. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video till now. I hope you enjoyed this project. I will go on sharing this kind of videos in the coming days. Please stay tuned. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, I kindly invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel for my future videos. And if you like this video, please leave like, remarks and make comments. See you in the further videos. Thank you so much.